Today's story name is The Dancing Toy Box. The sun said good night, the moon gave a pep, and the little toy box was sinking to sleep. Clung third went the lid, shutting tight, for the magic was coming with the dark of the night. Inside the box, a hush settled down. No spinning, no tumbling, no frown. The Barnaby bear blinked one eye, then two. It's time to wake up, Toll. We've got things to do. Toll the doll giggled. Hee, you are right. But first, a big achoo for the dust of the night. A tiny toy sneeze. A quick little burst. It made a felt bunny jump up at the first. Barnaby wiped his nose with a wipe. A happy toy sneeze is a magical type. He peeked through the keyhole. He gave a quick stare. The room's empty now. Let's go breathe the fresh air. Out of the giggle chest, they quietly crept, while the little boy named Toddler soundly slept. A squeaky soft tiptoe across the wood floor. Now their magical mind was asking for more. A music box played a sweet sleepy sound, and the toy started twirling all over the ground. Twirl took a bow, and Barnaby spun. The very best dancing had just begun. Dip, sway, shimmy, shake, when the playful crew. A toy train conductor did a choo-choo-choo. They all danced so hard, they bumped and they thumped, which made Barnaby jump, and loudly he jumped. Then Twirl saw the time. The night was almost done. The morning is coming. The dancing is run. They laughed a small ha-ha-ha and hurried away. They had to be quiet before the bright day. The little toy box was quiet and still, waiting for Toddler to wake up. They will sleep now, little one, and close your own eyes. Dream of the dancing beats beneath starry skies.
That was a wonderful story. I loved reading with you today. Remember, every day is a new chance to discover more words and stories.
Thank you, friends. Keep reading and smiling. Bye. See you next time. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye.
Bye bye.